Phone calls, emails, text messages, tax scams seem to be everywhere these days. So it's important to make sure you can spot the warning signs to make sure you are not a target.
Yeah, and to help you do that, he is here to share ways you can protect yourself and others from tax scams. It's Jason Wiggam, founding partner of Wiggam Law. We're so glad you're back here to talk about this.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, well, we know a lot of companies are making big promises like settling tax debt for pennies on the dollar. Let's talk about how realistic this really is.
So it's a red flag. You know, the IRS has a program where you can settle your tax debt, but it's very difficult to qualify. Only about a third of offers in compromise, that's the program, are accepted by the IRS, and there are big consequences if you submit one and you fail. It is not as simple and easy to qualify as a lot of the advertisements and things make it seem. I think it's very important to get an analysis, talk to a professional, and make sure you actually qualify before you move forward with something like that.
Okay. What are some other red flags that we should be looking out for? Because the scams are everywhere.
Sure. A couple things. One, the IRS does not contact you. They don't call you. They don't text you. Number two, if you're talking to anyone and they're engaged in high-pressure sales tactics, trying to get you to move forward with resolution and pay a large upfront fee, that's a big sign. Like if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is.
Yeah, I mean, that's such an important note. We've been hearing a lot about this IRS Fresh Start program. What is this and how tangible is it really?
Yeah, that's a good question. So there is this thing called the Fresh Start program, and it was like a marketing initiative by the IRS where they made programs they currently have, like installment agreements, offers in compromise, and other things easier to qualify for, but it's not its own resolution that you can do. There is no program or unit you can call to say, hey, I want a fresh start. So if anyone is making it seem like you can do that, they are misleading you. Don't listen to them. Talk to a qualified professional.
If it's too good to be true, it probably is. I think that adage still stands.
Yeah, I mean, that's the theme for this portion of the segment. But I've always been curious about this one. Are there specific types of taxpayers that scammers target?
Yeah, unfortunately, they prey on the elderly, low-income people, people who have a pre-existing tax debt. You know, you have some anxiety because you have a tax debt and you receive a call from someone who alleges they're with the IRS and that if you don't send them money by a certain date, they're going to put you in prison or do bad things to you. Just keep in mind that, you know, no one at the IRS is going to do that. And if you have any, like if red flags are going off, listen to them, you know, don't talk to them anymore. Contact a professional that can actually help you. Yeah,
those scare tactics are so real, and I think they really do trap a lot of people. So if there is someone out there who is perhaps a victim of a tax scam or could be, what advice are you giving them?
So stop talking to the scammers, like cut off all contact. The Internal Revenue Service has a great website on how to report tax scams, and it gives you information on what to do. Check all of your financial accounts, make sure that everything is in order, put credit monitoring in place, and contact a professional that can help you get out of this problem and fix whatever damage has already been caused.
Great. Be proactive.
Yeah.
Sounds like,
Jason, thank you so much for being here. If you need to contact a professional, Jason's right here for you, everyone. So you can schedule a consultation today by visiting wiggamlaw.com or calling 404-649-0393.